Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we're going to look at, well, something that we need to know about Numpy and random. So alright, let's just go ahead and do what we know to do, and then I'm going to show you as NP. Alright, so we know how to we do np dot range and then 12 and then print x. So alright, we know how to get an array, and then type x is a numpy array. Excuse me, guys. So alright, now let's say we want to shuffle this. So we're going to have to come up here and import random. Now here's where it gets interesting. Let me show you this. So, alright, reshape 3 by 4. So okay, now I have an array, and it's 3 by 4. So now let's say I want to shuffle this. So I do random dot shuffle x. I want you to look at this real close. See anything weird? Let's do this again. Okay, we are doubling something, and it's not a true shuffle. So there is a way around this, and a very handy tool that Python has for us. Numpy actually has let's see how quickly I can find it. Random's already in here. Boom. So watch this. np.random.shuffle x. So now this works. Now this only shuffles the rows and then goes about keeps them in their normal setup. So if you wanted to get it to shuffle the entire array, let's get rid of this. Oops. Let's move this here, and we know how to do this. Oops, let's get that, bring that back, and then we know how to do this as well. Dot shape, we pull up this attribute, and we did 3 by 4. Boom, and then we get this entirely shuffled. But so this is a very important feature, and also now we don't need to do this and waste memory. So we get rid of, oops, that's not what I wanted to do, right there. So now we can go about and making, and we have all sorts of tools. As we can see, there are an extremely large amount of tools that we have to work with inside Numpy. But I was going through notes and I went across this, and this is a very, very, well, one, it's already there, so why take up memory, one, and two, it doesn't actually do exactly what it is supposed to do and work the way it's supposed to. So very important, and I wanted to share it. So as always, guys, thanks for watching. Please leave any comments, questions, or any video requests below, and I'll get right to them. And if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and do that now, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.